Guys, I'm here in Dubai at GITEX at the OKX booth, and here are amazing people. Here's, for example, Andres, here's eligable, over there, there's also Max from AIBC. So you should definitely come over and check the booth out. So nice here, amazing people, amazing exchange. Check it out. Here's the one and only Coin Bureau, and I had such a nice chat with him. And of course, he likes OKX, right?
Well, of course, we can't really complain.
Yes.
OKX.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
See you around, bro.
And that's why you need to make sure that you work hand in hand with regulators to push the dialogue far, because there's certain rules that we want as crypto exchanges that need to be applied to our consumers, but it needs to be an open conversation. But a solid regulatory framework is extremely important.
I mean, I was talking to a very, very large family office in the UK last week, and they had a huge desire to allocate to crypto, which is obviously the kind of thing we're looking for. They were thwarted by their trustees. Trustees of one of the kind of largest trustee providers in the space, Jersey, Cayman, I'm sure you've heard it.
Guys, you should definitely check out OKX. I'm here at the OKX booth just behind me. OKX has amazing trading products. They have a trading bot, they have futures trading. You can trade on spot. You should definitely go to the website okx.com and check this out. And they have an amazing booth here in Dubai. Guys, I highly recommend you to take part in the content creation competition here from OKX. I'm here at the OKX booth in Dubai. They have amazing prizes, $50,000 worth of prizes, and one of them is free tickets to Abu Dhabi to the Formula 1 Grand Prix next month. I will be definitely be there myself. So if you want to meet me with OKX together, take part in this amazing competition. You find all infos and the link just under the video below, and also in the description of this video. After the amazing GITEX event where OKX was present, I wanted to introduce you also to OKX, the platform, and show you how you can actually make money trading on OKX. So here I have already logged in into my OKX account. You can see I have here roughly $500. So, and I will now transfer this to my trading account. Let me just see. Yes, so there you see I will transfer all of it. So that's what you do after you have already deposited a little bit of money here on OKX. So, and then I go here to contract and margin. So, and then to futures, because I like to trade futures. So, and I gonna trade Bitcoin. So, and then we look on the 1 hourly chart. If we see here something interesting, so here you can see also the price levels. You have here a small chart, so here also where you can market buy, market sell. So that is actually really nice. So, and I want to play on isolated and with higher leverage. So you can go up here all the way up to 125x leverage. I'm not recommending this, so I will scalp trade here in this specific scenario with 33x. So that is what I'm gonna do. Yes, I confirm this, that I know what I'm doing here. So, and then we are looking quick at the Bitcoin chart to see if I'm correct here with my opening. So here on the 1 hourly chart, we have still room to go down. On the 4 hourly chart, it looks also weak. On the 12 hourly chart, looks also weak. On the 15-minute chart, we should also go a little bit lower. So this looks all good. So then we go here 100% margin. So here you have to select your account mode, which with which one you actually want to trade. So, and for me here, this one is absolutely enough. So I confirm this. So now I have the account successfully activated. So, and then I can go here to market and then sell, and I confirm this. So, and there you go. There I have right now my short position open here on this future contract. So I'm just like to see here, there my position, there you can see it. I'm already a little bit in a profit, which is of course nice. So, and this is just one of the products that you can find on OKX. They have way more products here on the platform when it comes to trading. You can also do perpetual swaps. You can trade options. You can just trade on margin. You can also, of course, trade on spot. So, and OKX is the second biggest spot trading exchange as far as I know. So it's a really big one. So, and you saw the trade was absolutely seamless to open, which is also really important for me when I'm on a new platform. So, and then you can here also use on the growth side, you can earn while saving, staking, stable coins, fixed income, flash deals, dual investment, DeFi, and you can also stake on Ethereum 2.0, and you can also create loans where you borrow money to other people and lend them money, or you can also borrow money that you can actually spend then. That is also some of the products that we have here on OKX. And on the trading side, they have also a trading bot. So when we go here to the trading bot, here machine-led functioning, so get started. So here you can basically create your own bot, either a spot grid bot, with a recurring buying bot, a futures grid bot, a moon grid. I don't know what this actually is. I think that's like low cap coins. Smart portfolio, price lock, basically a sniper bot where you then can buy and sell at really specific levels. You can create arbitrage orders with the bot. Here iceberg between large order splitting, hidden orders, reduce slippage, and here TWAP where you have also large order split, place scheduled orders, reducing slippage. So you see there's a lot of products that we can use here on OKX. It is a nice platform to trade on, in my opinion. That's why I partnered up with OKX. So, and when we're looking at my position, slightly in a loss, I actually gonna put here. So you see my liquidation price is really high, so it's quite unlikely that I will get liquidated on this. So here I can, when I click here on take profit and stop loss, there I can set my trigger prices. So my take profit point will be like 18,000. What is this? 500. Let me see. 18,700. So there you see. So I would make a little bit more than 50% profit on this trade. And so let me make this a little bit bigger here. 520. So there you see the price has to move 3.1% to the downside that actually gonna get this kind of profit. So now on the upper side we want to keep it small, the loss. So this is more than a 10% loss, and that's also absolutely fine. So we can actually make this a little bit higher, something like this. So that is a 10% loss. So I can win 100% to a 10%. That's 10 to 1 risk to reward ratio. That's absolutely fine. So we just click on confirm. So I do both on market. So, and there you go. So now I have these orders in. Here open orders. Here stop. There you see it. There I have my take profit. There I have my stop loss. So now I'm completely set for this trade. You can also see it here in the chart where I entered, where my take profit is, where my stop loss is. If I move this here a little bit higher. So there you see my stop loss. So here's my entry and here's my take profit point. Yeah guys, if you actually would like to use OKX, then make sure that you sign up with my link. You only have to deposit $50 to stand a chance to win a $10,000 mystery box if you use the app of OKX and deposit $50. So make sure that you click the link below, guys, because this will not last for a really long time, and take up your chance to win here $10,000 in mystery boxes when you sign up with my link to OKX. Thank you so much guys for watching, and see you in the next one.